Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to attach Payoneer account with TikTok. So guys, watch till the end as I show you a step-by-step guide, and I made this table over here so we can understand more. So first, just simply go to your TikTok shop, and after that, go to the finance. And once you are on the finance, just simply go for the deposit. And after that, guys, on the deposit page, just simply go ahead and click top up and just simply provide the amount that you want to add and just simply click on next. And from there, guys, on the checkout page, just simply select Payoneer as your payment method, and from there just simply click link now. And from there, it will prompt you to sign in into your Pioneer account in order for you to link it with TikTok. And once you are signed in, you can just simply click agree to complete the process to finally link your Pioneer account and TikTok shop. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.